This week's featured listing is located at 6106 Browning Court, right here in Pecan Plantation. Stay tuned, I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check out this beautiful house. First off, you got this gorgeous iron door. Right when you walk in the door of 6106 Browning Court, you've got a fantastic open floor plan, these gorgeous hardwood floors. This is located in Park Place in Pecan Plantation. This home was built in 2018. It's got 2,760 square feet. You can already see the gorgeous detail. Here is this propane fireplace with this rock feature, plantation shutters throughout this house. We've got this awesome office right here. I love all these plantation shutters. This beautifully upgraded glass barn door. Super, super cool. These gorgeous cabinets built, and they have adjustable shelves in them. There's also these really cool drawers that pull all the way out. Great, great storage. We've got room here for your formal dining. This is a beautiful, beautiful kitchen, gas cooking, double oven. I want to take you outside here. You've got an enclosed patio out here, a fantastic pergola. Absolutely beautiful. The home backs up to a green space. Let's go over to the master. Oversized master room for a sitting area, tray ceiling. This house has foam insulation. All of the doorways are wide enough for wheelchair access. You've got his and her sinks, beautiful shaker style cabinets, big soaking tub. This closet is amazing. Oh, let me take you to the other side of the house. Right off the kitchen, you've got a half bath. You've got a fantastic mudroom over here. And this laundry room is awesome. You've got room for a refrigerator. It's got a water line for your ice maker. And then this garage is a full 3-car garage. It's got an epoxy floor. And one of my favorite features is the staircase going upstairs. Again, fully insulated. This house was built by Anthony Estate Homes. It is in fantastic condition. Give me a call. I would love to show it to you. Thanks. Make it a great day.